Hello everyone, this is Group 6 from C12A. For this video, we will be talking about on how to assemble a computer in 11 easy steps. Let's get started.
First things first, gather all the tools you'll need for the assembly. Make sure to know where to put your components and the right and proper way to place it down. Grab your CPU and open the socket lock on the motherboard. Gently place the CPU in the socket to make sure it lines up with the indicator notch, so there will be no bent pins. Once it's setting nicely, close the socket lock to secure it. Third, line up the gold pins of the RAM stick and Wi-Fi card with their slots on the motherboard. Make sure they're facing the right way. Gently press down on both sides with your fingers until you hear that satisfying click. Next, attach the support bracket first. Then carefully place the heatsink fan on top and put a bit of thermal paste to have a cooling temperature. Screw it tightly to prevent it from moving around. Don't forget to attach the metal lining inside the fan for extra security. Once that's settled, connect the 4-pin connector to the motherboard. Next, prepare your system chassis and mount the motherboard. Make sure to align it with the bolt holes. Secure it by securing it down so it stays snug and steady inside the case. Sixth, line up the Wi-Fi card and bracket with its designated hole in the case. Then use the correct screw to tighten it. This keeps the Wi-Fi card secure and in place. Next, take your power supply and get a screwdriver to start mounting the PSU. After aligning the correct holes, proceed to screwing it to prevent it from falling into the chassis or to the other internal components. Once done, connect the 4-pin connector of the power supply to the correct place within the motherboard. Next, pick up the hard disk drive or the HDD and make sure that it is facing the correct way to see the notches that will allow you to screw it tight to the drive bay. Once done, take your hard disk drive power data and power cable to connect them to the designated port with the HDD. After putting every internal cable that is needed to run the computer and internal components, we can finally close our computer case. Next, connect everything to have a display shown such as VGA cable, power cord cable, and then input and output mouse, keyboard. Now, you have yourself a computer that can run through applications and multitask. Lastly, connect the cables and peripherals. Afterwards, we can now plug on the power cable to see if there is a display from the actual build that has been made.
And that's all. Thank you for watching our video and hope you guys like it. Thank you.